Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable parental control on Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Kids and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Now click on Let's do this, then click Sign in. Now you have to enter your child email, and then click Next. And now you have to enter your child password. And then click I agree. Now click Accept. And now click on Supervise Account. Then click Next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. And then click Next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll down. And here you have to enter your child password again. And then click Next. And then click Allow. Now click on Next. And click Done. And now your parental control is set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.